If you have been needing more resources in Warbots, then you have found the right video. I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited gold and other resources instantly for free, and all you have to do is download one small app. It's really simple, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do this so that you can go ahead and enjoy playing this game even more with all of the resources that you could have ever imagined. So let's get into it.
Okay, so here we are in War Robots, and I'm going to show you how to get unlimited gold. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see up at the top, you can see exactly how much gold I have right now, and by the time we're done here, we're going to have so much more. So let's go ahead and make it happen. What you're going to want to do is click up here, and we've got this little menu. So we can turn on unlimited resources, we can turn on unlock all robots, we can turn on infinite missiles, or even no ads. So we're going to switch on unlimited resources, just as simple as that. So now all we've got to do is click the activate button, and it's going to sit here and load for a second, and then we're going to have all of those resources shoot up in just a second. There we go. So many resources, and I don't know what you guys need all of these resources for, but they're going to help you out so much. And if you ever for some reason need more, you can just go ahead and do that again. So now to make this work, all you're going to need to do is go to your home screen. We're going to go ahead and get this app, War Robots Plus. And to get it, it's very simple. All you need to do, open Safari. In Safari, you're going to want to go to your web browser. And in your web browser, you're going to type in Tweak Valley. So it's tweakvalley.com. For me, it pops up because I've been to the website before, but for you, it's tweakvalley.com. You're going to go ahead and head to the website. On this website, they've got all of these different apps that you can use and enjoy and have fun with. But for us, obviously, we're just looking for the War Robots. So we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in War Robots, and it's going to pop up for us. There we go. War Robots Plus. All you've got to do is click install. So once you've clicked install, it's actually going to take a minute to install, but once it is done, we're going to be able to make this work. Now I want to tell you guys, there's a couple of next important steps that you've got to follow to make this work. What's happening now is it is downloading a configuration profile, which is going to allow the War Robots Plus app to work on your phone. And if you don't enable that profile properly, then it's not going to work. And I want this to work for you guys the very first time. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load. It's going to pop up with this little loading screen, and then we've got one more small short loading screen after this that'll pop up, and then it will tell us about the configuration profile. There we go. All you're going to want to do here is click allow. You've just downloaded that configuration profile, and now that you've downloaded it, you need to go home and you're going to go find it. So you'll find it in the settings app, and in here at the very top, you've got this profile downloaded section. So click on that, and then there we go. It pops up for you automatically. You're going to want to click install in the top right corner here. You'll click next, and then you'll click install. And then down at the bottom, this is the last install button. You're going to go ahead and click that one, and you are all set. You've got the War Robots Plus. Go ahead and enjoy your unlimited coins, unlimited resources, and I'll see you later.